Heads up, OpenAI drops a major update. ChatGPT-4o has unlocked a powerful new feature, image generation. So here's the question, can it challenge the current king of AI art, Midjourney? Today, we're setting up a visual showdown, GPT-4o versus Midjourney. We'll test across multiple styles to see who really delivers the better visuals. We will test these two image generators on the same screen. First, let's get a Ghibli-style image. In ChatGPT-4o, choose Create Image. Enter the prompt, a boy sitting by a calm riverbank, talking with a large cat wearing a tiny hat. Then, put the same prompt in Midjourney. Midjourney has a progress display. It looks faster than ChatGPT-4o. In the end, you will get 4 theme pictures. This may make it easier for you to choose the pictures you like. Finally, ChatGPT-4o is also generated. Look at the difference between the two styles. First of all, in terms of text processing, what I want is this cat wearing a hat. ChatGPT-4o seems to understand it more accurately, and the pictures of Midjourney are basically this little boy wearing a hat. Then look at the style. Maybe I prefer ChatGPT-4o's Ghibli style, which is more animated. Midjourney's pictures are richer in color and more hand-painted. Let's try some cyberpunk-style images. Realistic character style. Impressionist painting style. Conceptual design style. AI fusion style. Are you Team ChatGPT-4o or Team Midjourney? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.